Good evening, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, taking a look at the severe weather outlook. And we're not just talking about severe thunderstorms, which we will have over the next couple of days. We're talking about snow, and we also are going to look a little further into the future for the potential of snow in the Midwest and even parts of the Northeast. So we'll start with the severe weather, because that's going to be closest to now what's going on. And we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center's outlook tomorrow. We got slight risk all the way up from Nebraska down through southern Texas. Moderate risk, or marginal, which may become moderate here, Dallas, Fort Worth, into parts of western Texas, up through near Oklahoma City. Liberal Kansas, areas like that are in the enhanced risk, may go to moderate risk, depending on how it operates. And the next day, we move this all east, and this actually may expand north. Some of the computer models are showing the potential for severe weather to increase, actually, for even further north. So, be on our toes there in Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Texas. And you can see we start off tomorrow, low pressure system coming out of the Rockies. Cold air pocket aloft, crashing in. So, we know that normally leads severe thunderstorms. You have southerly winds, really strong. You see the strong southerly flow here. We have a jet stream come across like this, so there is change with winds with height here, especially where this curvature comes in and around. So we come on to the next, which is a couple hours later. Back this up for 1 second. We got one fly too far. We see the precipitation increasing, and boom, we have a squall line then formed. So we're going to have more of, I'll show you the NAM in a little bit when we recap, but this is the GFS. You see a nice squall line develop. Strong winds from the south here, snow here in parts of Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, back through Wyoming, and parts of the state of Colorado. This thing will continue to move east, so we continue the threat here in parts of Kansas and parts of South Dakota and Nebraska as this thing moves to the east. Showers and thunderstorms straight from Chicago straight to the Gulf of Mexico. This will probably become a wind threat. I see this becoming more of a wind threat than anything. Tornadoes can't be ruled out, obviously, because you can spin up tornadoes, but potential for damaging winds will exist. As this really cranks up, gets into Canada, you get Minnesota with some snow. You get the strong southern fetch now in Virginia, right as these storms are coming in. So by the time we're getting into the day on Thursday, we're looking at the potential now even for some possible severe weather in the areas of Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. You can see that snowfall here in Midwest. Potential on the 19th here for some light snow here in Minnesota down through Wisconsin. And then we'll move to the East Coast and out. So the next system starts cranking up. And here we go. This is where we're going to talk 20th, 21st, 23rd. Fetch here. Low pressure comes cutting across here. Minnesota, we got a nice band of snow actually here. Iowa, Chicagoland area, back in Nebraska, and starting looks. This is we're getting at the computer model data right now. 1 to 3, 2 to 4. You see the GFS actually is showing the 2 to 4 further south, and 1 to 3 to 2 to 4 the Chicagoland area. As we move along, this will move east. Lake effect snows start kicking in, and we actually make some snow in western Pennsylvania, parts of the western slopes of West Virginia, and definitely up through the other lakes as we go cold air across the warm water. And we can always get that to be occur and get some snowfall there. So that's something else we have to watch out for. I don't know why this is acting up, but Now we're going to move along even further, and we're going to go up towards December. And we can see, right around December 1st, Black Friday, let's start it back up a little bit here. Black Friday and December 1st, we actually have potential for some snow, actually, even in parts of Pennsylvania and parts of western Virginia, which would include the Roanoke area. But that's so far off, I wouldn't put any stock in it right now. This is the NAM, close level reactivity. As you see tomorrow, limited isolated supercells develop. So that's why we have to watch out for the probability of tornadoes tomorrow. After we're recapping this, and then we get that strong line. Like I said, this is why I think severe weather will be further north as we get further down in the week. Nice comma-shaped, strong bow line, bow echo, moving to the east. So definitely something we have to keep an eye on. And if you're in the Midwest tomorrow, any of the areas that we discussed in that enhanced risk, please take it seriously. We see some damaging tornadoes as well as some heavy damaging winds and hail. And then I'll move east during the night time. Stay with live weather blogs for the latest weather information, and we'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Team News. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.